In fact, at Asia's biggest defense exhibition, the country's growing manufacturing skills on display. The 12th edition of DEFEXPO, themed Path to Pride, marked the emergence of India's defense industry as a sunrise sector for investment on a global scale. The 5-day event held in Gandhinagar saw over 1,340 exhibitors, businesses, investors, startups, MSMEs, armed forces and delegates from several countries, with engagement spread over 4 venues. The response Indian defense companies got was quite encouraging.
Big change that a large number of Indian companies have participated in the DEFEXPO compared to earlier years, and out of that also there is a major proportion of the startups and the defense innovation companies. Almost all the products are having export market, and we are getting very good response from overseas customers.
One year of incorporation of MIL, we have bagged export order of 1500 crores, and we are trying to add another 500 crore minimum by March 23.
Over 451 MOUs, transfer of technology agreements and product launches were concluded. Domestic businesses bagged orders worth 1.5 lakh crore rupees, a testimony to the progress India has made towards achieving self-reliance in defense. Aircraft, ships, tanks, arms and ammunition, cutting-edge technologies and weapon systems were among the standout features at the first DEFEXPO exclusively for Indian companies. The focus clearly on exports.
This time we have displayed a big number of items. We have got displayed ATGMs, we have displayed surface-to-air missiles, we have displayed underwater weapons, and also we have displayed air-to-air missile and air-to-ground missiles. And this time, we are launching 3 new products. DDL has got into manufacturing of platforms, and this is a game changer for Bharat Dynamics Limited, because now we are concentrating on exports.
Many African nations and Kazakhstan have shown interest in missiles like Akash, which the cabinet has cleared to export to friendly countries. Many countries are keen on buying ships, boats and underwater weapons.
We at Goa Shipyard got a very good response from the delegates which has participated. We have got a good response from the visiting foreign country delegates. The main focus which we have in this exhibition is the technology which we are developing in-house, designing of the products in-house. We have a pollution control vessels which currently we are building for a Indian Coast Guard. They are totally designed and constructed by Goa Shipyard. We have 8 fast patrol vessels which we are building currently for Indian Coast Guard. In addition, we have an export order for floating dock from friendly country.
The growth of the Indian drone industry using state-of-art India's technological prowess, powered by local startups, was hard to miss. State-owned companies also showcased their wares.
We are at present exporting most of the defense products. For example, the coastal security has been exported in Maldives, in Mauritius, Seychelles, many countries. We have a few of other naval products like sonar. Even the radar has been exported to Armenia. So we have even night vision devices have been exported. We are also doing some contract manufacturing for export.
Private sector enterprises such as Adani Defence and Aerospace, Bharat Forge, Larsen & Toubro, Zen Technologies and Indian verticals of Airbus, Lockheed Martin and Boeing displayed their next generation technologies, holding out a lot of promise for the growth of the Indian defence industry.
This is a futuristic infantry combat vehicle. So in terms of various technologies that have been integrated into it, there are a lot of futuristic elements. For one, the architecture of the entire electronics of this vehicle is a common bus architecture. We have 360-degree situational awareness for all the crew. It's virtually what you can call a see-through armor. It's fully network connected. It's got a drone integrated. It's got a 5th generation ATGM integrated. So it's futuristic.
export, there's a big potential for export for this gun. And right now, we're also handling inquiries from about 8 countries for export, like most of the CIS countries and then 1 or 2 African countries.
DEFEXPO 2022 wasn't all about business. Breathtaking stunts by the armed forces, daring displays by the elite marine commandos and para-commandos, and various combat maneuvers drew crowds to the Sabarmati riverfront. Uniformed personnel performed daredevil exercises with helicopters above and boats below. Going by the overwhelming business response, the objective of a defense sector worth $22 billion with exports of 35,000 crore rupees by 2025 seems within striking distance. Team Bharat Shakti reporting from DEFEXPO 2022 at Gandhinagar.